How to get rich with loans. While it may sound counterintuitive, when used wisely, loans can be powerful tools for wealth building. I'm TD, and in this video, I'll show you some smart strategies on how to achieve financial success through loans. But remember, this comes with responsibility, so stay tuned to learn the right way to use loans to your advantage. Part 1. The right mindset. Before we dive into the strategies, let's start with the right mindset. Understanding the purpose. Loans should be taken for specific purposes that can generate income or increase your net worth, like starting a business or investing in education. Debt management. Maintain good financial habits and avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Part 2. Types of loans for wealth building. Next, let's explore different types of loans that can help you build wealth. Business loans. Leverage loans to start or expand a business that can generate profit. Real estate loans. Invest in real estate, like rental properties, to create passive income. Education loans. Invest in yourself through education to increase your earning potential. Investment loans. Use margin loans to invest in stocks or other assets. Part 3. Smart loan strategies. Now, let's discuss some smart strategies for using loans effectively. Interest rate shopping. Compare interest rates and terms to secure the best loan deals. Diversify your investments. Spread your loan funds across various income-generating assets for reduced risk. Reinvestment of profits. Use your loan-generated profits to pay off the loan faster or invest further. Part 4. Case studies. To illustrate these strategies, let's look at a couple of case studies. Case study 1. Real estate investment. We'll analyze how a real estate investor used a mortgage to build wealth. Case study 2. Small business success. We'll explore how a small business owner utilized a loan to grow their company. Part 5. Risks and precautions. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Let's talk about the risks and precautions. Risk assessment. Evaluate the potential risks and returns of any loan carefully. Emergency fund. Always maintain an emergency fund to cover unexpected loan repayments. Part 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, getting rich with loans is possible if you follow a well-thought-out plan and make informed decisions. Loans can be powerful tools for wealth building, but they require discipline and a clear understanding of their purpose. Always seek professional financial advice before making any significant financial decisions. Thank you for joining me today on Finance Export. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content on finance and wealth building. Remember, with the right knowledge and mindset, you can use loans as stepping stones to financial success.